Hey, how's it going today, guys? Hope everyone had a blessed, positive day today. So, we're back. Yes, we are back. So, what we'll be doing today, is installing the DashCam. Yes, that's right. Eyes everywhere, front and rear. From now on. So we're gonna be doing that today. I originally wanted to hardwire it, but I'm gonna take the easy way out. It'll be good as long as it works when it needs to work. That's all that matters. So this is the product I got for the dash cam. It's called Leeway. It's spelled the Liwey. I meant to say I-way. So once you get it and after you install it, they have the QR right here. It's about like $90. So it comes with, I took everything out already, but it comes with Wi-Fi. It says 2K. It has a GPS locator on it as well. And it has not only the front camera, but also the rear as well. And I guess it also like detects the vibration or the sound that goes off. And like records it, send it back to your phone directly or whatnot. So with that said, we're going to install this. I already like started removing stuff already, guys. So what you would do is just simply move the pillar right here, which is the speaker cover. So what you're gonna want to do next, guys, you're gonna want this little bad boy. This little thing, a little plastic prior, or the what they call this, the trim removal. So take it here and just apply back, and then pop out. It'll pop out, but there's a tool. There's a little latch right here that connects to the car as well. So it's like you can remove it, but it's gonna be a pain to put shit back. You just want that cracked like that. The next, there we go. I already start doing everything already. Well, of course, line this up so you know.
Okay.
There you go.
He's so mad, I fuck this old lady. It's all smoke, chop on her 80. He mad, I ain't jacking his shit. I be jacking the box in this bitch. I call, she pull up so quick. Head so crazy, make me come quick. I fuck that bitch. Ay, rolling with my gang, we friend. I roll up, now I'm sick. Relapse off the drugs, yeah, I need more, baby. I don't care about that bitch. Rockstar status in this bitch, yeah. Hey.
Okay, so we got all the lining in. Woof. So we did that. All I did was just tuck everything. Once you get down below, you tuck it underneath the glove compartment. It fits in perfectly. You guys see it. It fits in perfectly. And all you do with this, take the trim tool, and the black thing in the middle that holds the wires in place comes out. So you take that out and you squeeze the wire behind that and tuck it in front of it so it can stay intact. And that's part one for you guys. So got the dash cam up there. I do have to install the SIM card for this thing. Let me see, I'm gonna plug it up and see. Turn the camera up to see if this thing will work or not. Oh shit, oh shit, oh look at that, dude. I know I need some cards in the house. Let me get this off for you guys. I like that. That's clean. You guys see that right there? I think it looks so clean. Oh, nice, that's nice, that's wide. I like that.
It says the front covers 170 degrees and your back will be 140 degrees.
Correction, 150 degrees for the back. So right now, we're on the second part, which is installing the rear. So, same process, same steps, guys.
Up so quick, head so crazy, make me come quick. Yeah, I fuck that bitch. Ay, rolling with my gang, we found it. I roll up, now I'm sick. Relapse off the drugs, yeah, I need more, baby. I don't care about that bitch. My status in this bitch, yeah, yeah. Ay.
Okay, after you put that and tuck that in, same process like I said, get that up in here, but this time you're not going down under, you're going up and back.
Life go fast like I put it in sports. Fresh out the jet, then I hop in the horse. Fresh to death like I hopped in a hearse. Got your bitch in the back twerking on perks, yeah. I just be thuggin', out the beat and rollin'. Mike Epps, you funny nigga, you trollin'. Yeah, one hand on my chest, you can't tell me it ain't frozen. Cold like Berlin, sippin' lean, not gin. She hit me cause it's for the friend. That's fact, you can see him through the thin pins. Math class, skip that, count my dividends. Take another L, he won't ever live again. All of this money got me looking like I'm scammed. On my grind, tell me hard pro skate, man. Niggas be switching up just like they trans. Yeah, that's why I don't got no friends. Yeah, I love my friends that are dead. I thought that bitch give me head. Chopper sit right on top of the bed. Yeah, hey. Got drip just like the ocean. Pay me better, oh, throw you out in the ocean. Hey, yeah, hey. They don't want the old me. Used to be a dog like Cujo. Now I got exotic plugs, exotic gas. Take you to Pluto. Yeah, that's your fake love. I don't give a fuck. I'ma do me off these drugs. Yeah, fake love. It's your fake.
And for the ones out there who know what happened, you guys know the reason why I'm doing this. If not, for the new ones, yes, I did had an experience back in September. Someone ran a red light. I did have a dash cam, but it wasn't on at the moment. Luckily, there was witnesses. But for extra protection now, I'm doing the front and rear one.
Fat, you can see him through the thin pins. Math class, skip that, count my dividends. Take another L, he won't ever live again. All of this money got me looking like I'm scammed. Life fast, loved ones can't do it again. I'ma go hard, I'ma go all in.
Alright, so we're gonna go. Bring it back here, tuck it. It's easy, just take the trim tool, pull this thing down, and just simply just tuck it back there. So as you guys can see, I do my own work in my car. Majority of it, but when it comes down to it, I usually let my sponsors do it. Shout outs to Graphics Labs, shout outs to DNF Auto Collision, there we go. So, just finished lining everything up. The cord was like 6 feet long, so, and I have a coupe. So I just had to run it back and forth like 4 times. Tuck it back here. So now we're gonna line it up. Very simple and easy. Don't make it too hard, guys. Like I said, work smart, not hard. So there's gonna be a line in here within the middle of the window. Line it up to that. And since I do have the louver, what I'm going to do first is check. I'm going to check to see how it looks. So just in case I have to install it slightly down, so it can be like right in between the louver. So what I did all that right there and at least have some extra. So once you stick it on and your trunk goes up, it doesn't snag on it. So finally finished up with that, guys. What I did was loosen it. So once I do open it, it won't snag it. So it's just so as you guys can see, I did leave some space on it, but now that I know how much the trunk will use when it raises. So there you go. I just showed you guys how to install a dash cam, not only a dash cam, not the front, but the rear. So, boom, there we go. You guys make sure you do 4 things out there. Woo-hoo! 1, make sure you subscribe. 2, hit that notification button. 3, like. And the last thing, guys, make sure you drop that comment down below. Appreciate you guys. We out. My channel, appreciate it. Make sure you do 4 things. Hit that like, that subscribe, and that notification. Also, drop that comment down below. Thank you, guys.